Now to take a look at division using manipulatives. So if I have this one here, 24 divided by 6 equals what? So if I'm getting someone familiar with the idea of division, what I could start with is build long ways like a number line. The number 24, excuse me. And then I would need to find how many times does a 6 block fit into this number. Keep going. And 24 divided by 6 equals 4, because 6 blocks fit in. So how many times does 6 fit into 24? 4. And then what you would find is if we got the 4 blocks out, that would fit in 6 times. Five, 6, and we could also write it the other way. 24 divided by 4 equals 6. Now we're having a look at the idea that they can be represented the other way. If you're missing a part, you can flip it around. So putting those away, and then we'll go on, we'll make a new number. Before we start there, we'll put all the blocks away. This is a good habit. Every time you start a new equation, you start fresh. And this time, I'm just having a look at 1 though. We'll do 30 divided by 5. Yeah, 30. Blocks. We'll see how many times 5 fits into 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 30 divided by 5 equals 6. Okay, and what will tend to happen is you start to get to bigger numbers where this becomes impractical. You don't have the amount of space, so we need to find another way of representing it. And we can actually find another way that's very similar to the way that we use division, multiplication to show division. So I'll put these away. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Let's see, what does 84 divided by 7 equal? Okay, so let's represent that this way here. First off, we need to get out 84 from using the blocks. Alright, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 84. And then we're going to start, we're going to build across 7. Again, we can either replace these with 7 blocks, Or if we get 70, turn on its side. So I've built 7 across. And then I can share this equally. So I can swap, I'll need to swap this over for a 7 and a 3. And what I might do just for these, I'll swap the 7 and the 3 over for another 7. Okay. And I count how many down I have built. I've built 12 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 84 divided by 7 equals 12. Now another reason why this is a really good trick is because if you separate, once you go from the tens blocks to the ones blocks, you can start to see the relationship between long division in the algorithm form. So here, 7 times 10 is 70. So 7 fits in here 10 times. 84 take away 70 is 14. And 7 fits into 14 2 times. So there you can start to see the relationship between what we're doing in division and a little assistance for the long division algorithm. Now, let's go to a bigger number. Let's this time do 144 divided by 12. Okay, so we need to get out 100 over 44, 40, 44, and we need to build 12 across. So there's 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now what I could do is I could use all my tens blocks to represent it that way, but I'm just going to take a shortcut and use the hundreds block in the place of 10 tens that would be running along vertically. So I've built 12 across, and now I need to use the rest of mine to complete the rectangle, just like multiplication. That won't fit, but I can change it over for 2 2s. Put that away. And 144 divided by 12 is 10, 11, 12. 144 divided by 12 equals 12. Once again, with that algorithm, I'll show you with this one. 12 goes in. When it changes from hundreds to tens, we separate. 12 fits in here 10 times. Let's take away the 120. 144, take away 120 is 24. And 12 goes into 24 2 times. Take away 24. I don't think I did that step for the last one. So again, we're making sense of this algorithm that while people may have seen, may not have completely understood step by step what they are doing. We'll put them away and then go to one more before we finish up. Alright. 165 divided by 15. Okay, so once again, I get out that number using the blocks. 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65. Right, now I need to share going across. I need to share 15. So there's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. And then I keep going down the bottom here, and this will fit perfectly. So 165 divided by 15 is 10, 11. Our answer is 11. And once again, I'll show you the long division. So where it goes from hundreds to tens blocks, we separate. It fits into here 10 times. In this block here is 110, 20, 30, 40, 50. So take away 150, which leaves us with 15. And 15 fits into 15 one time, which means it fits in exactly 11 times. So while we talk about multiplication as building up, division is building down. And that is the best way to complement how we do it using the algorithm.